Torrential rains have cut off several communities in the hilly district of Kisoro after floods washed away bridges and rendered roads impassable. The Kisoro Rubuguri and the Muko Katojo Bukimbiri roads are among the worst affected after sections along River Ruhezamyenda were destroyed by rising water. Travelers, including tourists heading to the nearby Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, are now forced to cross the flooded river using wooden boats, improvised canoes, and by being carried on people's backs.
Here, a lot of people, hundreds of white people of Muzungu, they come to here to see gorillas, and they cannot pass here, and they turn back. They are not coming anymore in the jungle to see gorillas.
A local group, Nyekundire Group, hired 2 wooden boats to help people cross the river. The group's leader, Saturday Alozia, says they stepped in after the flooding completely cut off the road. Saturday says the boats were hired at a cost of 150,000 shillings each and are currently helping hundreds of travelers cross the flooded section.
Bukimbiri ni yali irali Kisoro District. Hararugaye bihimba, hararugaye monda, hararugaye makara, hararugaye tijya mushinja, hararugaye chi. Abajungu niyo bali ati uraranguriya turikushaka.
Isaac Nsenga, the owner of the boat, says the crossing has become a major lifeline for stranded travelers, earning about 300,000 shillings daily. Other operators helping residents cross say each person pays 2,000 shillings, while luggage is charged 3,000 shillings. They say collections can exceed 700,000 shillings a day.
Nanye ndaleba abataka bakunoya bari kubona abona. Ndaleta amato ganje abiri. Buri runaka imitwara ashatu. Kugira amato ganje gagere imitwara 30.
Residents traveling between Nyundo sub-county and Rubuguri town council say the flooding has disrupted transport and business activities. The LC3 chairperson of Nyundo sub-county, Mutabazi Fred, says River Ruhezamyenda flooded early this week, cutting off the main road linking the 2 areas. Mutabazi says the road has repeatedly been repaired using culverts, but these are easily destroyed by floods. He's now calling for the construction of a permanent bridge.
Turukubona abona munonga kora lebe hano ya hano ya rero mu mirambiho akasisikara hano jira wakahungu tubyekere so mwamara tabaza kwizera wakahungu akakagira akaturambura akareba hano ko ibintu byashishikeye.
Really face a big challenge through these roads connecting different parks. Like this morning we had the same problem going to gorilla tracking, then we are done with gorilla tracking. Again we decided to take a different route, same problem here. So I wish the government could come up and really work on these roads, otherwise it's a very big challenge.
Residents Edward Tushemerirwe and Twesje Ponsiano, a teacher in Bukimbiri sub-county, say the situation has also disrupted the delivery of scholastic materials to schools. They are urging government to intervene quickly.
We are stopped from going to Kisoro. We cannot access the town, we cannot access some of the facilities within the town because of this river here. So we are blocked. Even some school materials which are supposed to be got from Kisoro, we cannot get them because of this flooded river.
Meanwhile, landslides have also cut off the alternative tourism road linking Katojo to Rubuguri. 2 operators say the poor state of roads is making access to tourism sites increasingly difficult and are appealing for urgent government intervention. The Kisoro Deputy Resident District Commissioner Dan Ndikumwami has described the situation as a disaster. He says the Ministry of Works and Transport has been alerted to urgently clear landslides and restore access to affected roads.
That is very good. I've communicated with these people that I've talked to as a manager of the station, Ministry of Works. So I believe that you're going to work on it. I think you are bad. You are going to work on that road.